Cox's Bazar-based Biset organization SSC99 distributes food among the Quran, Dua Mahfil and orphans. On Wednesday 2025, the food distribution ceremony between the Dua Mahfil and the orphans was held at the Cox Web Hotel in the memory of the late friends of SSC99 Cox's Bazar. Also present on the occasion we are the new committee president of SSC99 Ziauddin Mahmud Tamal, General Secretary Razaul Karim Hiru, Vice President Advocate Arifullah, Joint General Secretary Zamir Alam Zahir, Abdur Raf, Dr. Ramjan Barwa, Faiz Uddin, Hassan Mahmud Chaudhary, Mir Muhammad Abdul Malik, Muhammad Ali, Wahidul Islam, Advocate Razaul Karim Shikdar, Advocate Didarul Alam, Rajib Rafiqul Islam Manik, Rayhanuddin Haddi, Razaul Haq, Humayun Shahabuddin and Sheikh Shobuch, Rashidul Mustafa, Asif Raza, Najrul Islam Butta, Shahriyar, Nasir Riyad. The ceremony ended with the distribution of food among the hundreds of helpless orphans. The fair ceremony. BSTV Dex Report.
نعوذ بك من الكفر والفقر والهرم والجوع. اللهم وفقنا لما تحب وترضى من القول والفعل والعمل والهدي والنية، إنك على كل شيء قدير. اللهم أعني على ذكرك وشكرك وحسن عبادتك. اللهم إنا نسألك إيمانا كاملا ويقينا